In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your purchase history on Amazon. This is a quick way to review what you've bought, confirm delivery dates, reorder essentials, download invoices, or track spending for budgeting or returns. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where everything lives. First, open your web browser and go to www.amazon.com. Make sure you're on the home page. If you're not already signed in, Amazon may prompt you to log in before you can view your orders. That's normal. Your order history is private to your account. If you manage more than one Amazon account, double-check you're in the right one to see the correct purchases. Next, look toward the top right corner of the page for Account and Lists. It's near the search bar and the cart icon. Click it to open the account menu. If you see a small profile icon instead, it serves the same purpose. Just click that to reveal the account options. This menu is your hub for everything related to your profile, addresses, and security, but today we're focusing on orders. From that menu, click your orders. This takes you straight to your purchase history. Amazon may briefly load while it gathers your recent activity. Once the page appears, you'll see a list of your past purchases with the most recent at the top. Each entry usually shows the order date, the items included, the total, and the delivery status. You can open any order to view more details like tracking history, invoices, and return options if they're still available. At the top of this page, you'll notice filtering tools that make it much easier to find what you need. You can change the date range, like the last 30 days, the past year, or a specific year, to quickly narrow down older purchases. There's also a search bar, so you can type in an item name or keyword if you only remember part of the product title. If you buy digital content like Kindle books or apps, you can switch tabs to see digital orders separately. If you're missing something you expected to see, confirm you're viewing the correct date range and the correct account. Also, check whether the order was placed by a family member on a different profile. For privacy, avoid sharing screenshots of this page unless you've hidden personal details like addresses and order numbers. And that's it. By going to Amazon, opening Account and Lists, and selecting your orders, you'll instantly see your full purchase history. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly where to find everything you've bought on Amazon.